this is how you're going to list multiple items on eBay with multi-quantity and variations. So from here, from the listings page, we're going to start from here. You're going to enter the brand or the item information that you want to sell. So for example, I want to sell a t-shirt. So I'm going to search for that, and then we can find a match from here, but I'm just going to click on continue without a match. And then I'm going to say this is new with tags and then hit on continue. And then from here, we are now going to start entering the details of our product. So we can add a photo first. So we're going to add a photo right here. I'm going to just add this t-shirt photo. And then from here, you can start creating the titles and all of that stuff. You can add specifics. You can just do this according to how you want to. And then let's just scroll down from the pricing first so we can set the quantity. So as you can see here, my quantity is off. So I cannot alter this, or I cannot change the quantity of my product. So if you are facing the same problem, that means your format is set to auction. So in order for you to add a quantity and set this as a multiple item product, you can change auction to buy now. Now, once you set the auction or the format to buy now, you can now change the number of items that you can sell. So for example, I want to sell 20 of this t-shirt. So I can now set the quantity to 20. Now, if your items have variations like size or color, you can just click on add variations from here. So it would usually come up, and then create variation options such as small, medium, large, or red and blue. And then you're going to upload photos that match each variation so buyers can clearly choose. However, if you cannot select a variation, you can just simply create a new duplicate of this product and then set the details. So for example, I'm going to set the color. So I have here black, and then as you can see, I can only select one, right? So in order for you to add variations like mine, since it doesn't work, you can just create a new listing and then duplicate this one. And that's it. That is how you're going to list multiple items on eBay, multi-quantity and variations. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.